So this is my interactive module planning template. My topic is health and wellness. The background of my students, they'll have already learned about the food groups and physical activity. And how making those healthy choices all fit together in one. The standard is 3.1.1, identify the link between healthy and unhealthy. It is third grade. The main tool will be PowerPoint. So for the first objective, when given a list of unhealthy and healthy choices, students will be able to categorize them into the correct area, either healthy or unhealthy, and this is through the interactive PowerPoint. So the first point is obviously to be able to distinguish the difference. They will put them into two categories. The technology integration will be the PowerPoint, and the assessment will be the interaction, and when they finish it. The next point is identifying what making a healthy choice means for your body, and then right underneath the subpoint is the opposite with the unhealthy. So they will just be able to explain what that means for their body. They will use technology to watch videos and search online, and then they will have a chart to fill out for the assessment. And lastly, they'll explain what makes them different. So they'll be doing basically the same thing. They will be able to tell the difference. They'll do this by studying, and they can use games from websites. The second objective is students will create their own PowerPoint. So like what they did on the first objective, but except they're making their own. So they'll distinguish between healthy and unhealthy. They'll be using technology. They will create the PowerPoint, and then they will use that to teach the rest of the class. So some of the integration will be PowerPoint, using research, putting it together, and then using the PowerPoint to present that information. There'll be a rubric that they'll need to meet all the criteria on, and then after all of the students have presented their PowerPoint, there'll be a quiz. Lastly, the students will spend time playing games, watching videos, and learning more about physical health. They'll learn more about health. They will use the technology to practice their technology tools, and they will be more engaged and interested. So the technology can either be whatever will be in the classroom or in the computer lab. It could be computers, laptops, or iPads. For this assessment, it will be more formative assessments, watching kids, making sure they're completing the games and watching the videos. And then for that, I have this research tool, and it is a very good website with all things, a bunch of stuff for kids to do.